In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a collapsible picnic table from the company Ray Nanesi, is maybe how you would say that. And the tabletop dimensions is 35.43 across and 23, or lengthwise, and 23.62 inches like width. And then the height can go from 14.17 to, 24 inches. So it's got 3 different types of height adjustments. You can kind of see how it goes right there. And then what's on the other side here, product information, 4 kg. You know what, enough about that. Let's just take it out of the box. Let's see what it looks like. Lay the table down. It came in wrapped in this little bubble wrap here, and it has a little set of instructions, but I can tell y'all there's really not much to this thing. So just kind of like looking over the instructions here, it really just shows you how to do the little pull tab, open up, and then how to do the adjustments on it. So we'll put these aside. Let me set the table up and show you. So you're going to open it like that. Then you're going to see that it has these little hooks. These will hook onto the side. So you see how simple that was? So there's a little like switch right here when it's closed up, and you see these hooks. That's for, like, say if you're barbecuing and you got like tools or something and you just want to hang on the side of it there. Works really great, whether it's a spatula or some forks or something like that. And then looking at the table itself, let me just kind of like go over it. Very strong. It is made out of like heat resistant material. It can, obviously I wouldn't build a fire under it, but you could easily put hot pans. You could put a hot plate or something like that. I have another table and I tried to cook on it, and I put a hot plate on it, and it actually melted the whole edge of the table. That's where this one comes in really handy, and you can kind of see how it opens up there. And then let me lower it back down and show you, because these have different types of adjustments right here. You want to just mash down to lock that into place, so make sure you lock that in on both sides. Now it's very sturdy all the way around. Let me go ahead and adjust it to the different heights. So when you mash that little silver button, it goes all the way down, and see how it's opening up. And there you go. So that's the 24-inch table right there. And also water is going to go right through that, because it's, it's perforated edges there. And then let me show you collapsing it down. You see the legs? And there you go. So yeah, I'm going to be using this on my camping travels and just around for random stuff, even in the backyard right here when I'm cooking or putting something up. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, folding heat resistance picnic table. See you on the next video.